Western University, from Ellicott City, Maryland, Clarissa Santori. A junior at Stetson University, from Lighthouse Point, Florida, Mari Hanley. And a junior at Caltech, from Potomac, Maryland, Alex Borzutsky. And now, here is the host of Jeopardy, Alex Rivette.
Thank you, Johnny. Ladies and gentlemen. The good news is, if you keep winning in this tournament, you have a shot at picking up $100,000 in cash. The bad news is, if you lose in the quarterfinal matches and don't make it to the semifinals, you go home with $5,000. If you do make it to the semifinals and lose, you go home.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. A large earthquake, with a level of 15.7 on the Richter scale, has been detected near Colorado, Utah, and Nebraska. This earthquake is believed to have been triggered by the eruption that had occurred at the Yellowstone supervolcano in Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. All residents of Colorado, Utah, and Nebraska are urged to seek shelter or shelter in place immediately. Ensure that you have food, water, and a battery-powered radio during your stay in the shelter. Local authorities will guide you to a safe shelter if possible. If there is no shelter near you, then it is recommended that you shelter in place. This can be done by getting under a sturdy object, such as a desk, and covering your head with your arms. Be sure to stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation.
Sometimes all you need is a second chance.
And now you have it.
The Channel 2 Morning Edition is now rebroadcasting weekday mornings on KYES TV from 7:30 to 9.
Watch us on KTUU or watch us on KYES.
If you're a super fan, watch us on both.
We won't judge you.
The Channel 2 Morning Edition now serving up second chances weekdays on KYES TV, Channel 5, now broadcasting in high definition.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. At approximately 4:45 p.m. Alaskan Standard Time, a large tsunami was detected off the Pacific Ocean. This tsunami is believed to have been triggered by the large earthquake that happened a few hours ago. All residents of Alaska are advised to evacuate to a shelter immediately. Make sure to bring food, water, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. If you are on a beach, get away from it as quickly as possible to put yourself out of harm's way. If you are in a vehicle, pull over immediately. Local authorities will guide you to your shelters. Stay tuned to the station for further updates on this life-threatening situation.